here. He's gonna do it again. Here he goes.
He ate it. So what you cook, baby?
Look.
Damas y caballeros. Today's another day. We're gonna be working on this room. I got it cleaned up yesterday, and I started putting the walls together. Came down there, took all the fiberglass powder off. Now I have to put all this back over here. We are a long process, but at least we're gonna have a big bedroom to sleep in, and that's important because the bird, the bed is too small and it's really hot over there. So let's get to work.
So, I'm a sweaty mess, a windy mess, and Ace.
What's up, guys?
Look how much better it looks, guys. And it's gonna look way better by the time we're finished.
I cleaned everything. Took all the fiberglass, all the mold. Now I just have to pick up
What's that screen
the
door
tools and
to?
stuff over there.
What's that door to?
I don't know.
Over there, back there, probably, right?
Yeah, back there. All right. So
Okay, we need to figure that out.
I'm dying right here.
Oh, right there, baby, on top of that window. Okay, so we'll be back with Ace. So now we're gonna go up. Getting our mattresses. It's crazy windy today.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here cleaning.
Good. I need to take this down too. It's mildewy.
Huh? What's happening?
I thought you cleaned it in here.
Did I or did it andar on there?
No.
Look at the sunset. Look at the sunset. So beautiful.
Got a rainbow over there. Yeah. Are you Mexican or Puerto Rican?
¡Órale, vato!
¡Arriba, arriba, 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 arriba!
Vamos a la pichadera, güey. Vamos a la pichadera. Órale, güey.
Anyway, it's beautiful. It just rained like crazy.
No, he's picture here. Take it down. Yeah.
Hey, baby, look at the picture.
Baby,
Look at that.
Coming inside. Look at that.
I'm coming, Ellie.
Hi guys. Mira.
41 pounder.
Wow!
Look at the mahi. Octopus, mahi.
Wow!
A lot of tackle.
Nice!
Very nice.
And
300 pounds on
Octopus.
300 pounds on mahi. That's what he said.
Good job, guys!
Yeah. It was a good day of fishing. We got big fish today. Yeah.
I got the what you got?
Okay. Okay, put it there. You know, Miss Pink?
I missed you already.
Yeah, make it.
Mwah.
Oh, get the babies. Maybe they think they're going somewhere. Huh?
Mommy,
Look at the line.
colors are matching.
Yeah. You're all matching.
Yeah.
You're all matching, baby.
Funny. The world.
So what you have to say to the viewers that you're gonna be in the next few videos? What are you gonna tell them?
That I'm gonna be working. Look at your baby. I know.
Only making money, right?
Yes.
If you find a job. That's up in the air, huh?
Exactly.
Okay. Well, we all have to
It's easier
do.
there to get a job than it is here.
We all have to do sacrifices.
Yes.
You know? This one's gonna be waiting for you when you come back. And this one's gonna be waiting for you when you come back. Sí.
¿Cómo lo veo? ¿Dónde lo
Sí,
veo?
no lo ve, es que no se ve. Baby, they make it hold this so you can hold the babies. Give kisses to the babies. Ready? Say bye to mama. Okay.
Mwah. I love you.
Your baby Danny?
Now to Lonnie.
Danny, baby
Now to
Danny.
Lonnie. Mwah. I love you, Lonnie.
Okay. All kisses to me.
And I kiss you like
You have a great flight.
now, mommy.
Arrivederci.